said that you're going to ramp up electronics purchases in China by 30%. What else are you going to do to lower your costs?
We brought our electronics headquarters here. That allows us to work closely with manufacturers of our components in China and the region, right from the concept and design stage, so that we can bring costs down. In addition to that, we're investing a lot of time in improving the quality of our supplier base. Frankly speaking, it's very varied in China. At the top end, there are global companies who could do business anywhere. In the middle group, a group of very good suppliers who still need to improve their capabilities, particularly in quality. And as I said, we invest a lot of time in that group in particular, helping them improve processes from a manufacturing point of view, to improve quality, drive down cost. I mentioned there were three. The last group, quite frankly, probably won't make it, and naturally we're not investing very much time.
And that will probably get swallowed up in the industry consolidation.
Yeah, I mean, like our industry in other places, they'll probably either face going out of business or they'll be acquired by more competent players who will then improve the quality themselves, along with our help.
中国市场的迅猛发展促使伟仕通布局提速。2003年年末，伟仕通将其亚太区总部迁至上海，同时设立中国技术中心。2005年11月落成的中国技术中心，不仅用以支持中国和亚太区的发展，还将支持其全球的汽车内饰和电子产品生产。中国技术中心已经成为伟仕通全球电子系统基地。
We're very much focused in a number of different areas. Safety of the people who buy the vehicles that we put parts in is one. Environmental concerns is another. Fuel economy, another. And lastly, I'd say, the changing needs of the customer and what they want to see inside a vehicle. We're playing to all of these, and what we do in Asia Pacific, including China, is a very important part of our activity. So the work that is being done in the technical centers here is part of producing products that satisfy those needs. Let me give you a couple of examples. On the electronic side, which is particularly attractive, we think, to Chinese consumers, we're seeing a trend where you have products inside your vehicle that change more quickly than the life of the car. So the speed with which our engineers are able to work in China has allowed us to produce certain new products, including, for example, an in-car plug-in DVD player, safety equipment that makes the driver more aware of his environment, and therefore safer for him and the passengers, and then also products that allow us to be more environmentally friendly.
And to do that, are you hiring any more engineers?
We're hiring engineers all the time. I mentioned that we had 1,000 people now in our technical center. When we built it 2 years ago, we didn't think it would fill up quite so quickly.
虽然中国及亚太市场发展迅猛，但一个无法回避的事实是，伟仕通自2000年从福特汽车公司剥离以来，就一直未能实现盈利。有数据显示，2006年该公司亏损1.63亿美元。伟仕通目前正在将北美地区的业务转移到亚洲地区，以适应目前残酷的竞争现实。受到福特减产的影响，伟仕通今年1季度亏损1.53亿美元。
For you, you must have one of the best jobs among Visteon executives worldwide, because the company worldwide has just made another loss in the latest quarter. It's still facing massive restructuring. How does it feel?
Having one of the best jobs in Visteon feels absolutely great, as you can imagine. First of all, I'm given, and the team in Asia are given, a very high level of autonomy. So we're allowed to be very entrepreneurial, and that suits the speed dynamic of operating in the Asia-Pacific marketplace. Secondly, when we do need support, whether it's human or financial in nature, we get it very strongly. But just going back to the other part of your question, clearly my colleagues in the other parts of the world face different challenges from the ones I do, perhaps, and I'm very fortunate in that regard. Having said that, I'd remind you that last year we started a very important 3-year recovery plan. We're nearly halfway through that. We're making fantastic progress on a number of different fronts. And so I'm very confident that in 2009, when we're set on a new path of being a profitable global company, we'll all be sharing in the more positive roles.
好，刚才伟世通亚洲区总裁庞宝博专门就公司的中国发展战略，还有如何来应对全球业务下滑的挑战，发表了他的见解。国际的视角，权威的声音，感谢您收看本期第一声音，我们下周同一时间。